Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to 200forexpips.com. It's 8th of March 2019, and guys, I congratulate all traders who have taken the buy positions on my suggestions from 6 March, 7 March, because from the 6th March I have provided the upward trend on gold. I have mentioned in my video, the video is live on YouTube. You can consult my 6th to 7 March video. I have talked about that gold is not that much weak that we are expecting. It will make a recovery, and I have analyzed the gold as per Fibonacci, and also I have discussed this thing in detail as per my technical analysis. And now you can see that the gold stands at 1293.907, where it was at 1280 level on that time. So that's a big boost appeared, and I congratulate all traders who have followed the signal wisely. Okay, now let's attach Fibonacci indicator so that we can see what's going on here right now. Okay, on the hourly chart, sorry, on the hourly chart you can see it has reached to the 0% level, but guys, things are quite different here, because if you look at the 4-hour chart, then it has started bouncing from the 0% level, and the higher time frame is more reliable. If it breaks the 23.6 level, then the gold can reach to 1305 again. That's could be a valid option. But do not forget that we are into the downward trend on the higher time frames. But I will tell you after the daily chart, even the daily chart is pumping above the 50% of Fibonacci, so giving us a bullish signal. But guys, if you look at the monthly chart, then it's completely down. So what we can say, if the gold breaks the 23% on the 4-hour chart Fibonacci, then we can expect the upward trend on this pair. Okay, now let's talk about the higher time frames, that the monthly chart is down. So I'm not saying that it's completely into the downward trend. It will be back, but right now, if we talk about the analysis, then for a couple of days or a day or two, it can go up. Okay, because the 4-hour chart, you have to watch this, that either it is going to break the 23.6 level or not. Okay, now let's attach the 200 Forex pip system. That's the paired system. So what it is saying about the gold. Okay, guys, sorry, that's the price monitor. I just want to add the pips hunter so that we can explain it in detail. Okay, so now look at the pips hunter. It does not went inside the top red boundary or blue boundary, so it means that overall still we can expect the further upward momentum going to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart says that it's inside the top red boundary, that's overbought. But on the daily chart, look, things are very much clear to you. On the daily chart, the market is bouncing up from the lower red boundary, which says that to take the buy positions. So guys, that is why I'm saying I'm bullish on gold right now. And even if we attach the another indicator that I'm using, that's called scalper, let's see what things are going on here. Just a second, please. Okay, now let's see what's going on the let me have a look. Okay, now look at here. The scalper has pointed you 3 buy signals from the oversold levels, and then you can see that the gold has moved up. So guys, I have already mentioned about the scalper that we will ignore the red arrows in the lower red boundary, and we will accept the sell arrows in the form of red arrows from the top red boundary. And this is how we use the system. Okay, now I'm going to talk about EURUSD that I have mentioned about the swing trade in the last night video on 7th of March 2019. I have talked about this thing in my previous video that I am not expecting the further drop on EURUSD, and now guys, the swing is on the way. And even if we look at the 4-hour chart, the market is bouncing from the 0% Fibonacci level, and on the daily chart it's pumping up. Now let's attach the 200 Forex pip system so that we can see the things as per here. Okay, from the oversold levels, the market is pumping up, so very good signal that EURUSD can pump up. And even on the 4-hour, look, on the 1-hour, you can say that the market has reached to the overbought levels. But guys, again I say, look at the 4-hour. The 4-hour has not entered into the top red boundaries, that's overbought. So the higher time frame is more reliable. So here we are getting the message that on the daily candle, that the market is pumping up from the oversold levels. So guys, I am bullish on EURUSD as per the prediction, as per the technical analysis. Let's attach the scalper. So what the scalper says, let me put the scalper here. Okay, the scalper has given the white arrow here few hours ago, and look how sweetly it has went up, and the scalper does not paint, whereas the pip center definitely repaints. Okay guys, so hopefully I have cleared my point of view in this video. So I hope you must have liked this video. So if you want to join the my signals group, because I have a signals group on Telegram, as well as I have signal service through email. You know, you can watch my previous videos if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to get the video lessons, if you want to get Skype one-to-one live coaching. For all this, you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexwebs.com. Okay guys, please like my analysis, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share this analysis with other traders so that everyone can get benefit from 200 Forex Web services. Thank you for watching the video.